welcome back to our channel. So guys, this video was recommended by my best friends to make a realistic mini stag, although I made it earlier, but that was just a sketch. But today I'm gonna make it so realistic. In this I'm gonna use little bit of crimson red color in which add some white color. So guys, this is how I'm gonna paint it throughout the corners. So I've done with the paint. Now I'm going to do some detailing work. Now I'm gonna use this red pencil color to make it so realistic.